guys, it's Papa Rose here. I just got back from killing that bird. I got him right there. And now I'm going to shoot this water bottle over there. It's pretty far. It's like right here to over there. That's pretty far. Now, let's see if I can take him out. Can't see a dang thing. Guess I gotta shoot it like this. Okay. See that water bottle down there? Oh my goodness. Whoa, hopefully you got that. Whoa, let's go check it out. I should have shot that in slow motion. Damn, I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. Dang. Okay. I can't tell which one's... Okay. I think this is the exit. Yeah. No, this is the entry. I can't. Here's the exit. This is the entry. That would hold the exit. Well, that's a good shot. Dang. Hopefully my camera got that. It's rainy, as you can tell. Very rainy. Super rainy. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Papa Bro signing out with the initial bottle flip. Oh, and I'm joking. Okay, see you guys. Bye.